We're kicking things off with something straight out of a spy movie, camera glasses that secretly record in crisp 4K. They look like a totally normal pair of UV-protected sunglasses, so nobody around you has a clue they're rolling. Just tap the side and they capture everything you see, completely hands-free. They're built for the outdoors, hiking, cycling, driving, climbing, you name it, and they're perfect for point-of-view vlogging without ever holding a camera. Honestly, once you film from your own eyes like this, going back to holding up a phone feels ancient. These are the VITURE Beast, and they basically strap a giant private cinema to your face. Plug them into your phone, your laptop, a console, even a switch, and a massive 174-inch screen appears floating right in front of your eyes in sharp 1200p with a wide field of view. There's Harman-tuned audio built right into the arms, and dynamic dimming keeps the picture crisp, whether you're on the couch or on a plane. It's like carrying a home theater in your pocket. And once you've watched a movie or gamed on these, a normal screen feels tiny. Next up, real 4K night vision goggles, and these feel like a cheat code for the dark. In total blackout conditions, you'll still see everything in sharp detail on the 3-inch HD screen, with up to 10 times zoom to pull in faraway objects. They're rechargeable, they save photos and video straight to a memory card, and they're light enough to wear comfortably for hours. Hunting, camping, late-night security checks, or just exploring the woods after dark. These turn night into day and genuinely make you feel like you've got superpowers. Meet AIPI-Lite, a tiny AI companion with a surprisingly big personality. It runs on a real GPT model, so you can actually talk to it and get smart answers back. And it remembers your past conversations instead of starting fresh every single time. You can customize its character to match the vibe you want, and it even does voice cloning and reacts in real time as you speak. Part desk buddy, part assistant, part conversation starter. It's the kind of gadget that genuinely surprises people the first time they watch it talk back to them. This little orb looks simple until you throw it up in the air. It uses AI motion control and contact sensing, so it can hover, bounce, flip, and boomerang right back toward your hand like it's actually alive. Throw it, catch it, bat it around, and it just keeps reacting to your movements. It's weirdly mesmerizing and instantly addictive. The kind of thing that turns a boring afternoon into a full-on competition. It's marketed for kids, but let's be honest, the adults in the room won't put it down either. Easily one of the most fun gadgets on this whole list. If you've ever wanted to actually see the rings of Saturn with your own eyes, this Gskyer 130 telescope makes it possible. It's a proper reflector with a big mirror, so it gathers enough light to bring the moon's craters, the planets, and even distant objects up close and surprisingly clear. The equatorial mount lets you track things smoothly as they drift across the sky, and it's still beginner-friendly enough to set up in your backyard on the very first night. Swap a bit of doom scrolling for some stargazing, and the entire night sky basically opens up right above you. Ever had your Apple Watch die right when you're out and nowhere near a charger? This tiny keychain fixes that for good. It's a magnetic power bank with a built-in battery that snaps straight onto your watch and tops it up anywhere, with no cable and no wall outlet needed. It clips right onto your keys, so it's always with you, and it's small enough that you forget it's even there until you need it. Travel, festivals, long days out shooting content. This is one of those quietly genius little gadgets you don't think you need until the one time it totally saves you. This one is pure spy gear, and it's honestly a little unsettling how useful it is. It's a detector that hunts down hidden cameras, secret microphones, and GPS trackers around you. Sweep an Airbnb, a hotel room, a changing room, or a rental car, and it'll flag anything that's secretly watching, listening, or following you. With all the stories lately about hidden cams and rentals, something like this is quietly becoming a travel essential. It's compact, simple to use, and it gives you a level of peace of mind that's genuinely hard to put a price on. Slim enough to slide right into your wallet next to your cards, this tracker plugs straight into Apple's Find My network. So the second you misplace your wallet, you can ping it from your phone, watch it pop up on a map, or make it ring until you finally dig it out of the couch cushions. Because it taps into the entire Find My network, it can even help you track it down when it's far from home. It's Apple MFI certified, rechargeable, and basically the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy for the one thing you really cannot afford to lose. Yes, more smart glasses, but these go in a different direction, packing an AI assistant and an HD camera right into the frame. You can ask it questions out loud and get answers, snap photos, and record video just by talking and tapping with no phone in your hands at all. It's the kind of wearable that finally feels like the future we were promised, where the tech just disappears into something you'd actually wear every day. If the camera glasses earlier were all about stealthy recording, these are about having a genuinely smart assistant living right there on your face. This is HackyPi, and it's a tiny do-it-yourself hacking tool built for security professionals and seriously curious tinkerers. Plug it into any USB port, and it can run scripts, pretend to be a keyboard, and demonstrate exactly how real cybersecurity attacks and defenses actually work. It's designed for learning, so it's a perfect way to get hands-on with ethical hacking without needing a whole lab full of expensive gear. Think of it as a hacker's playground that fits on your keychain. If you're even a little curious about how all this stuff works under the hood, it is ridiculously cool. Think of this one as a universal remote for the entire world around you. It reads and replays infrared and wireless signals, which means it can control TVs, projectors, and all kinds of gadgets from one tiny device in your pocket. It pairs up with your smartphone so you can store signals and fire them off whenever you want them. It's equal parts genuinely handy tool and pure hacker fun. The kind of thing that makes you feel like you've unlocked a secret superpower. Just, keep it to controlling your own stuff and you'll be absolutely fine. LOOI turns your phone into a cute little desktop robot with an actual face and a real personality. Drop your phone into the stand and it comes alive, powered by ChatGPT and Gemini, so it chats with you, reacts to what you say, and even follows you around the desk with its big expressive eyes. It's part assistant, part pet, part desk toy, and it is weirdly charming to have sitting right next to your monitor while you work. If you've ever wanted a tiny robot companion like the ones in the movies, this is about as close and as affordable as it gets right now. And we are finishing big with the Bwine F7 Pro camera drone. This thing climbs way up into the sky and films buttery smooth aerial footage that makes literally everything look cinematic, from beaches and mountains all the way down to your own neighborhood. It's built for adults, with the kind of stable long-range flight that lets you actually nail the shot instead of fighting the controls the whole time. Travel videos, events, real estate, or just flexing on your friends, a good drone completely changes the kind of content you can make. It's the perfect grand finale and easily the biggest wow on this entire list.